Hi, Adam. Can you please share the meeting Word document with me?
Hi, Sarah. I'll share it right now.
Please make sure it's fully accessible before you send it. Some of the attendees need the document to be accessible.
Oh, no, I don't know how to do that. I've never done it before.
No worries. Just follow this beginner-friendly tutorial and you'll have it done in no time. Document properties are metadata that screen readers read aloud, including the title, author, and language. They help screen readers pronounce text correctly and identify the file's author and title. To set the language, select all the text, then go to the Review tab, choose Language, and click Set Proofing Language to English. Make sure to uncheck the boxes at the bottom. For the title and author, go to File, then Info. On the right side, fill in the field for the title, then scroll down to fill in the box for the author. Be aware that the name given to the file or document is not the same as the title. Screen readers read the document's title, not its file name. Alt text or alternative text is a short description of an image that explains its content or purpose. Without alt text, screen readers will only say image, leaving visually impaired users without context. In this example, we have the same pie chart shown twice, one without alt text and one with alt text. A screen reader will read the first chart simply as image, while the second chart will read the descriptive text we entered. When you right-click, you will find the contextual menu option to enter alt text. You can either add alt text if the image provides important information or mark it as decorative so the screen reader will ignore it. You can let the AI generate the text for you, but this is not recommended since it is not 100% accurate. Instead, it's best to enter your own descriptive text. You should keep alt text under 140 characters, as many screen readers will stop reading beyond that limit. Built-in styles are predefined formatting options in Word. These include Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on, and bullet lists. Headings are like titles in a book. They show what each part is about and help everyone, including people using screen readers, understand the structure of your document quickly. To check if your document is formatted with headings, go to View and enable the navigation pane. It will display the heading structure. In this case, the document looks like it has headings visually, but in reality, it does not. We will fix this by selecting all the blue titles and setting them to Heading 2, and by setting the main green title as Heading 1. Just use heading styles in Word, and screen readers will handle the rest, letting users navigate and skip through sections easily. Keep in mind that changing the font color or size doesn't set the heading correctly on its own. You can adjust these, but make sure the heading style is applied as well. Then, we can check again to see if the navigation pane displays the correct structure. For example, content that is not properly formatted with styles may look fine visually, but for screen readers, it will be read as a single paragraph. Screen readers rely on headings to navigate. Without them, users hear the whole document as one block and can't skip to sections. Proper headings let users move through content quickly and find what they need. Users cannot differentiate between sections or jump between titles if they are not formatted correctly. So, a well-formatted document will look like this and be read this way by screen readers. A table of contents, or TOC, is like a map or a menu. Just like a map shows you where each place is, A TOC lists all the sections in a document. The role of a table of contents is to help the user navigate the content of a long document. It is recommended to include one in Word documents longer than 9 pages. To create a table of contents, make sure your document is formatted using the built-in heading styles. You can verify this by checking the navigation pane under the View tab. And this is how you insert a TLC.